Welcome to our Do-It-Yourself client portal. Take control of your financial future with our free AI-driven credit repair tools. Let's go ahead and dive in and see how you can simplify and automate your credit repair process. When you land on the website and click Get Started, there's just a few simple steps. First, let's create your account. Next, register your account. Then you need to give us authorization to connect your credit reports. Review and digitally sign the agreement.
All right, you're almost done. The final and most important step is to connect your credit reports. Once you've ordered your reports, we will...
Now, the first step in repairing your credit is to order your credit reports. Remember, the tools and resources are totally free. The only thing you pay for is your credit reports, and with this special offer, you'll get a full 7 days for free before your membership begins. Just follow the prompts to locate your credit file. Then you're going to create a username and password. Next, you need to verify your identity by answering a couple of simple questions. Lastly, we need you to place a card on file so when your credit monitoring trial is over, a card will be available. Next, go ahead and connect your credit reports by entering your username and password that you just created. You're almost done. You can upload proof of residence, such as a driver's license or utility bill, but it is not required at this stage. Okay, next we need to analyze and dispute. Our AI-driven system will automatically analyze your credit reports and recommend the best dispute reasons for any negative items showing up in your credit report. With our one-click dispute feature, you can quickly and easily dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. Okay, now you can see the AI is kicking in and choosing the appropriate reasons to dispute items on your credit report. Just select the items that you want to dispute and click Create Dispute Letters now.
Congratulations! Now that you've successfully created your dispute letters for this month, it's time to mail them to the credit bureaus.
Go ahead and do a quick double check to make sure the letters are exactly how you want them, and you can print and mail your dispute letters yourself, or we understand that the dispute process can be time-consuming, so we've automated it for you. Our integrated mailing system will print, stuff, and mail your dispute letters directly to the credit bureaus. No need to worry about handling any paperwork. Our system takes care of it all. And that's it. Now, when you first log in again, you'll be greeted by this homepage. It's your dashboard that provides a comprehensive overview of your credit repair journey. Here, you can see your scores, your history, credit items, recent activity, and progress. Now, the dashboard is designed to keep you motivated and stay informed every step of the way. We want you to stay informed about your credit repair journey with our streamlined progress tracking dashboard. Here you can monitor the status of your disputes, see which items have been removed, and track improvements in your credit score. This transparency ensures you always know where you stand and what's coming next. Now keep in mind, next month, you're going to want to import a new batch of credit reports, and you can do this by clicking the green link on the top of the page. If you ever need any help, we're here for you. Support is available. Just click the support icon on the left-hand side of the screen and send us a message. As you can see, the client portal makes repairing your credit straightforward, efficient, and convenient. Everything's fully automated so you can focus on your financial goals while we handle all the technical details. So go ahead and take control of your credit and start your journey to a better financial future today.